At AGM 25, you discussed the value of modular production lines for agility. What's the next layer of value beyond agility that modularity can unlock for CPG operations or life science in 2025?
Yeah, so I mean, I think some of the problems to solve are very similar between the two. So it's about how do you actually build a line that's relevant today, but also is operable in the new environment where you're actually going to be, say, 2050, 2060, these lines are still going to be operational. So how do you anticipate the future? So how do you design a line that's actually sort of capable of running today, but also can anticipate the changes that you're doing? So how do you make yourself very capital efficient? So things like modularity around the design of the machines. How do you do things like our multi-carrier 12 is a good example of that. How do you increase the throughput, increase the SKU flexibility that you have? How do you integrate that into robotics? So how do you supplement the workforce, but also how do you keep it running in an environment where your workers that are running your plant in 2050, 2060 haven't even been born yet today. So this is a really interesting challenge within industry to solve.